Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you read me? Am I loud? Am I clear? There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Boy, oh boy, do I have a ton of breaking news for you. We're going to watch the Comex market shut down, close for the hour break. We're going to be breaking it all down here soon. I did just tweet out on X, so if you could go retweet or like or comment on that about this live stream, I'd really appreciate it. It's live now on X. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Buckle up, smash the like button, and get ready for a fun time. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 7 minutes and 50 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news, answering all your questions, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch the market close together. Who's ready to have some fun? Smash the like. We're 15 away from 100. Let's go.
Keep the nerves in place, secret pockets on inside my coat. Every bar, another little vote.
Who's ready? They laughed at us when we started stacking silver and gold. They said it would never pass 20 again, then we broke 50. They said we were through, we were going back down, then we broke 100. They said it was a fluke, then we broke 120. Then the bankers reared their ugly heads and smashed us into the 60s. Then we went to the 70s, 80s, 90s. Now we're in the 80s again. Ladies and gentlemen, who is unshaken?
From Tokyo nights,
I truly believe we will be victorious.
Rio sun,
Those with intestinal fortitude
from Arctic ice
are gonna be dancing with me in the streets.
to island drums.
Who's with me?
Every stamp on my page.
Who is unshaken? We're gonna be live here in 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Yes, I've been to Petra, Littlefoot. Here we go. That's you. That's you I'm handing coins to.
Like a tidal wall.
Let's go. We're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 50 seconds covering the breaking news. Smash that like button if you're excited, and please go retweet the tweet about this live stream. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Buckle up, smash the like button, share the stream. We're going to be watching the market close, covering the breaking news. Thank you, Stupid Stacking. 5 minute countdown, 5 minutes. Who's ready?
Digging treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow.
If you guys like this music, you can listen to it on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, everywhere. Just search International Stacker as the artist and enjoy. We'll be live in 4 minutes and 30 seconds here.
Rare to find.
I got it, KTM. Remind me when we're live. I'll cover it.
Join the crew, let's explore.
Let's go.
Wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just about 4 minutes and 10 seconds, covering the breaking gold and silver news, covering the market close, helping you read the tea leaves. Buckle up, smash that like. We'll be live here in 4 minutes.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it
The last song was me. This is all my music. Anad, go check it out.
Feel the
Come on!
International stacker that mill. So hit
Let's
that
go.
Join the quest.
Who's ready? We're going to be live in 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Smash a like if you're excited. We're going to be covering breaking news, the market close. Let's go. Thank you, Fingers.
Chasing that mill.
Three-minute warning. 3-minute warning.
Join the quest. Riches await. You're the best. International stacker. Stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Let's go. Who's dancing right now?
Chasing that mill.
2 minutes and 30 seconds till we're live.
Crabs are grooving side to side.
Let's go.
Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase.
Thank you, Charles, for gifting a membership. Congratulations, Bebop. Say thank you to Charles and check out your new custom channel member emojis. Guys, let's have a crab dance. If you're ready, drop a crab emoji in chat right now. We're going to be live in just 2 minutes. Get your claws up.
And silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's get it.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who wants it all?
Ready for the mega gall. We're the crew, the shell brigade. Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't be late. Yeah, join the party night and day.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 1 minute and 15 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news, covering the market close. 1 minute away. Smash that like button. Let's go.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew.
Here we go. Do you guys want the old school intro or the little kid intro? Let me know right now. The old school intro or the little kid? What do you want?
Get your claws up in the sky.
Let's go.
International stacker, he's our guy.
Let's go.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Okay, we're going to do the little kid this afternoon. The little kid takes it. It's one of y'all's little kid, by the way, not my kid. Here we go.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen? The name is International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 1,900 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. Guys, don't sleep on these videos. So much great content for every question you could possibly have. I've got a video for it. We're at 66,571 subscribers. That means we literally only need 29 more subscribers until the next big show. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived. So smash that like button. I just mentioned I'm from Key West, coming to you where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Where are you at in the world and what are you sipping on? I'm sipping on some throat coat tea, trying to get my voice from being hoarse. And ladies and gentlemen, I've got some more additions for the mega giveaway. Whoop. More additions for the mega giveaway. Whoop. So I'm going to show that to you guys here in a little bit. But let's see what's been going on all day today. We did have the Smackdown earlier, double Smackdown, and we are currently trading sideways at $82 even. They got us as low as $80.65 a little bit earlier, but we're currently walking sideways at $82.06, and we've got just what is that? 20 minutes. 20 minutes left till the day trading session ends. Remember, the markets are going to be closed from 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then they'll open up back again the Comex via the Globex and trade all evening. But tonight, once it opens back up, that's the official start of tomorrow's trading session. Today, we're down 1.79% on silver. We're down 1.28% on gold. So with all the smackdowns that's actually been occurring today, that's actually not that bad. We actually did pretty well. 82.35 in the futures, so we're in contango, which is normal. That's when the futures is higher than the spot price. We're not in backwardation. We're in contango. Sounds funny. Gold. Crab walking right now sideways at 5,075.31. Lowest they got us today was 5,050. We're not going to take it, guys. We're pushing back here on gold. Gold to silver ratio is in the low 60s, 61.84 ounces of silver for every 1 ounce of gold. So we're going to continue to watch that on the stream. And right here, the Shanghai Futures Exchange was bumpy today. Last night when it opened up, it was as high as 98.28. It got as low earlier today as 92.52. And it closed at $94.87 equivalent. This chart will start to move again at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. So remember, at 6, this is going to close in, 18 minutes right now. It's going to be closed for an hour. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gold and silver start to move on the Globex via the Comex. 7 p.m. we'll see Tokyo open Eastern Standard Time. 8 p.m. we'll see China open Eastern Standard Time. 8:30 p.m. all of China's trading. And boy, oh boy, do I have a bunch of news for you guys. But real quick, I'm going to show you guys some stuff I'm adding to the mega giveaway. You got to be subscribed for the mega giveaway, so make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications here. Okay, let's check it out. I've already got a bunch of stuff in here I've showed you before. But Cyclonic Silver sent this in to give away to you. It's a 3.5 gram silver bar that he made. So that's going in there. I'm curious, you guys. How about a little bit of gold to add to the Mega? Who wants a little piece of gold, premium gold from the Germania Mint? This is a pretty cool one. Yeah, I think this is 1/200th of an ounce. It's hard for me to see. Let me put it on the coin scope. Hold up. No, I'm sorry. This is 1/100th of an ounce from Germania Mint. So they started doing this pretty cool fractional gold. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to add this 1/100th of an ounce. Should I add it? Tell me to drop it. If enough of you tell me to drop it, I'll drop it in the Mega. If enough of you tell me to drop it. Okay, that's enough. Now, for those of you who... Okay, I'm not giving away the 10 ounce. Don't get excited. But those of you who know, I got this recent pickup from Germania Mint and the Royal Mint collaboration. It's the Loki 10 ounce bar. Pretty freaking cool. But I also got the 1 ounce version of it. If enough of you guys tell me right now to drop this in, I will drop this in to give away to y'all as well. If enough of you tell me to, it's brand new. It's the Loki Germania Mint and Royal Mint collaboration. Any Brits in the house? Any British in the house? If enough of you tell me to... Okay, I've dropped it. So we'll see what else I add to this box, but this box is starting to get full. And everything in this box I'm going to be giving away to y'all on the Mega giveaway. The next one's at 100,000 subscribers. It seems like we're far away from it, but we're really not. I checked with multiple AIs, and they said we should be at the rate we're growing massively. Thank you so much for the support. It's saying within a month to 2 months we'll be there. So you guys, you got to subscribe. I gave away over 100 ounces in silver and 29 so far this year. And it's going to be a whole lot more, some gold and copper. If you won, put it in chat. And I've got a bunch of news to break down for you guys. I've been posting all day. Try to keep you guys abreast of what's going on. And, okay. So here we go. This came from Rashad, one of our favorite. And I'm going to do a question and answer section after this. So if you got a question, just save it. And then I'll let you know when I start to answer it. But look at this. Uptrend starting soon. Drop your predictions below on when we pop champagne at $100 again, because Rashad said continuous sharp attacks lower in precious metals, which are getting immediately bought, suggests that uptrend to start soon. Okay, we have uptrend, and I had a little I put these little shorts out here for you guys to check out. Look at this one from Shanghai Silver. Shanghai Silver drain record alert. February 2026 withdrawals from the Shanghai Gold Exchange just hit 436.8 metric tons, an all-time high. Wow. Wow. That's more than double last year's same period and crushes every prior year to 2018. Physical demand in China is off the charts. Stacking, is this the final signal before the sell-off? This is in response to Hugo's post here. Silver withdraws off the chart. Cumulative silver withdraws again. Wow. That is absolutely insane. So we're going to continue to monitor that. The next piece of news I had for you guys here is this one. Breaking. The U.S. Navy unleashes the Helios laser system in the Iranian conflict, zapping drones for pennies on the dollar while interceptors cost millions. This is game-changing. It flips drone warfare economics upside down, because right now we're firing $1 million missiles to kill $50,000 drones. That does not make sense, and that is not sustainable, right? So, but here's the stacker's angle. Directed energy weapons like Helios ramp up demand for silver in optics, electronics, and high-tech components. Military silver use already massive. Think missiles, jets, radar. This deployment could accelerate it amid escalating tensions. And this isn't going to replace missiles and all that. It's just going to be another piece of the puzzle. Gold, safe haven king shines brighter with global instability. And this was in response to Shanghai, who posted about this. He's got all this information on the system. So if you want to find out more about that, just go to my X and you can find that tweet. Look at this one. So Money Metals. Money Metals has a special chart they put out, okay? They have a special chart. So it's called the gold fundamental price from monetary metals. It's surging hard, hitting new highs around $6,800 as of March 4th, 2026. Whoa. While the market bid price lags behind, it's catching up fast towards 5,200. We did get smacked today. Since I posted this, we're about 5,100 or so territory in this 3-month chart. This metric from monetary metals strips out speculative noise to show true physical supply and demand dynamics in gold. The widening, the narrowing gap signals building physical strength and potential for the market to price to play catch up aggressively. There we go. Stay in gold. Fundamentals are screaming bullish. So this is the post, and this is the Money Metals chart. This here shows the fundamental price, which takes out all the instability, all the market manipulation. And then this shows the current market price. So that's that gap we're talking about there. So that's a very interesting post put out by Money Metals. And we have one for silver as well. And the Real Geared Up Survival, thank you for becoming a Crab Cadet. That is mega. Wow. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. Really appreciate it. Okay, here we go. Silver's fundamental price is blasting off, surging to fresh highs near 130 as of March 2026, while the market bid spot price catches up aggressively towards 120 territory in this explosive 3-month chart. This proprietary monetary metals metric filters out futures speculation and paper market drama to spotlight raw physical supply-demand reality, industrial hunger, solar boom, EVs tech, monetary stacking is dominating. What's with that green arrow there? You see that? Trying to close that little gap there. So again, this is the fundamental price and this is the spot price. So this kind of shows that gap there. So again, it's just something unique and interesting. I thought it'd be cool to share with you guys. And again, I'm going to be answering questions soon. So please hold them back for now. And I said, wow, this thread on vault levels. This is from PM Bug. And he breaks down here all the vaults, what's going on. So more information you could ever want on the vault. So if you want to read that in depth, make sure to go to my X account, Intl-Stacker, International Want It Fit, to read that. Here's a big one. Silver alert, Comex March 2026 deliveries are heating up. 608 contracts noticed on March 3rd, delivering today, March 5th, at 82.92 an ounce, equaling a whopping 3 million ounces of physical silver changing hands in one day. This snapshot shows big banks or their clients snapping up real metal amid rising prices. Total month-to-date notices: 5,694 contracts. That's 28.5 million ounces. Is this the physical drain signaling a squeeze or just internal shuffling? That's the question. This was put out by Dr. Woods, but you can see here, this is the report put out by the Comex. So another important piece of news there, and I've got another one for you here, right here. And we got 1,100 people on the stream. Thank you so much. Guys, we're at 283 likes. Let's pop that up to 500. It helps me out so much. I spend so much time putting this together, so let's pop it up to 500. I know we could do that. Game changer alert. Publicly traded companies are now jumping into physical silver as the treasury asset. Whoa. Scottsdale Mint, and I covered this the other day, but this is more in depth. Scottsdale Mint Josh Fair just revealed a major listed firm in the digital space is actively adding a large amount of silver to its balance sheet right now. This isn't retail hype, it's institutional and corporate adoption accelerating. Fair calls it a new paradigm, central banks buying, private banks stacking, institutions loading up, and now corporations following the Bitcoin playbook. Wow. Shout out to Michael Saylor for opening the door. Tesla's bylaws, by the way, say they can stack Bitcoin and gold. Why? Growing distrust in the fiat system's diversification needs and seeing metals as real, trustworthy reserves. Is this trend catching fire? If it catches fire, expect massive new buying pressure on silver and gold markets already tight from sovereign demand. And you can go here and read that article on it. It's pretty epic. This one was sent to me by one of y'all in the email. Look at this. Massive gold and silver smuggling bust. Hong Kong Customs just seized a record $29.5 million in gold and silver foil. That's 168 kilograms of gold, 285 of silver, hidden inside household cleaning machines headed to Japan. This epic haul, glued to machine bases, underscores skyrocketing demand for physical metals amid global shortages and soaring prices. Smugglers risking it all. Are they taking advantage of the arbitrage opportunities? Remember, we closed earlier today in silver in Shanghai at 94.87, but on our market right now it's 82.20. So that's a $12 premium. Are they taking advantage of that arbitrage? Proof that real gold and silver is hotter than ever. Industrial needs and safe haven stacking. Delivering underground or driving underground flow. So there's the article there if you want to read that in depth, but I thought that was a pretty important to share with y'all. And here's a pretty big one as well. Look at this. Comex Silver Shopper. Shocker. Registered inventory just got hit hard overnight, down 6 million ounces. The vault is draining. Remember, we were down to 87 million ounces. Then they deposited 2 million, got us up to 88 million ounces. Now we're back down to 81.2 million ounces total registered. Here's the key drains. Total Comex silver registered and eligible dropped 878,000 ounces to 351 million. And guys, remember, a big part of that 351 million has other names on it. People already own it. It's in the vault, but it can't be touched. So the only silver that can technically at this time be touched is that 81.2 million ounces. This massive drain signals intense physical demand, pulling metal out of deliverable vaults amid sky-high prices, ongoing March deliveries, and global tightness from industrial and stacking forces. Is this the squeeze? Is it accelerating? Let me know what you guys think. But I thought that was a pretty important one here. And guys, we're going to be covering the market close here. We're trending upwards, green on silver, 82.25, with just 6.5 minutes left to go on silver. Gold's 5,082.34, trending up. So we're going to keep an eye on that. We'll get a 2-minute warning here shortly. And look at this. Who's still stacking? Charles Vance, always stacking with the crab with the diamond claws. I identify with this crab. Do you? Look at this. This is another short I put out. And here we go. The petrodollar era is crumbling. Oh, thank you, Daniel, for the super chat. Really appreciate it, saying Check what I tagged you in. Very important. Yeah, I'll check that. I'm almost done here. I've got 2 or 3 more stories, Daniel. Then I'll check that. Thank you for the super chat. The petrodollar era is crumbling. Silver was money before oil needed dollars to trade. That fiat stability price in greenbacks, it's on its last legs as the world shifts multipolar. The real money, sound money like silver, outlasted empires before. Look at this. This stuff. This is from Roman empires. This is from a caliphate empire. This is from the Japanese empire. This stuff's been around forever and has outlasted empires. Before and will long after the petrodollar note fades. Read the short, sharp take below. Guys, this is by one of you, a crustacean. Charles Vance, who's also a channel member and subscriber, wrote this article. So go check that out and support him. Here's another one. When gold and silver get attacked, remember the bull run big picture, ladies and gentlemen. Silver crushed 2025 up 148%. That's the biggest gain since 79. Gold racked up 65%. Since January 1st, 2025, silver's up 190%. Gold's up 95 to 100%. 25-year gold return is 1,075%. 2025 U.S. gold demand exploded 140% to record 679 tons. Central banks are on fire. Silver structural deficits and industrial boom. Solar EVs set up more upside in 2026. To me, dips are buying opportunities in this bull market. Fundamentals, deficits, central bank buying, corporate adoption, keep pushing higher. Who's still stacking? So I put this tweet out because I know a lot of people get depressed when the price gets smashed down, but that puts it a little bit of context here. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be watching the market close here in 4 minutes. Silver's pushing higher here. We're about to take out this level, which would be pretty. Look at we've hit this level like 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If we could break above that level here decisively, that would be pretty bullish. So we're going to keep watching. So let's see what I got tagged in. Snowman saying best name wins an ounce. Nice crab. Thank you. Colt saying International Stackers live right now. Let's go. Thank you. Okay, Mark McMillan, that game can play in reverse if major buying removes their leverage. China should scoop it up and play it on the positive side. Interesting take there. Shotgun Susie saying excitement aplenty with the crustacean nation. Thank you so much, Shotgun Susie. And guys, we're only 118 likes away from 500. Let's do it. Keep smashing it. There's 1,200 of you on here. As DBC saying, wars are supposed to be beneficial for gold and silver prices and oil, obviously. I'm deeply concerned about their manipulation. When will it end and at what price? Guys, if they still had full control, we'd be under $20 an ounce right now, honestly. I get it. I get the sentiment, DBC, but stay strong, intestinal fortitude to see the way. Big Rick says, it's getting scary. I'm trying to find Mike's post. Daniel Whitley. Can you tag me in it again? I'm not seeing it. My cat does baby gator calls. Whoa. Look at this. Whoa, that cat did a baby gator call. Wow, Pat. Craig saying, I just got some amazing Libertads in and a very cool 2-ounce Libertad, a few rolls of fractions, and some very cool vintage Engelhard bars. I'm so addicted, I can't see straight. Go silver. Awesome, Craig. Oh, here's Daniel. Check out this little nugget. Okay. I found it. Introduced in Idaho legislature today. Oh, man. This is a long read. Okay, let's see. I'm going to have to read this later. And give my analysis, Daniel. Thank you. I'll read it after the stream. I assure you. And let's go back here to the charts here, guys. 1 minute, 30-second warning till the market closes. And look at that. We just kissed that level again. There's some resistance there, definitely. The bankers do not want us to pass 82.36. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade this to a danger zone warning with 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Yeah, I'll go read that after this. Oh, the second page says Daniel. Oh, Daniel, you're killing me. Okay, let's watch this. Let's watch this chart close. Okay, hold on. Watch this chart close and we'll go to the second page. Where is it? Okay. Now, therefore, it be resolved. Numbers of the regular. Nation's gold reserves. I'm going to have to read that in depth, and then I'm going to have to make sure it's real and not just some fake thing, right? So I'll read it, and then I'll make sure it's real. Ladies and gentlemen, 30 seconds till the market closes for 1 hour. Wow. Here we go. 20 seconds. And it looks like those criminals at the Comex already shut it down. Looks like gold's going to, or silver's going to close at 82.25. So that means we're down 1.5% on the today's trading session, which actually isn't that bad with all the attacks. Gold closed out at 5,081.38, down 1.16 on the trading session. But to put that in perspective, guys, the Dow Jones down 784 points. NASDAQ's down 58. S&P's down 38. Bitcoin's down $2,000. So there's a lot of blood on the street in a lot of markets today. So let's see here what... okay, Northampton West. Help my 11-year-old boy just start a YouTube channel. It's rubbish. Can anyone help subscribe? Put a smile on it. Well, let's check out the channel. Let's check out Northampton's West kid. So look, he's making videos on Roblox. Cool. Awesome. So if you want to support his son's channel, I'll give it a subscribe. Awesome. Very cool. He's getting in the YouTube game young. Very neat. So I will read this, Daniel, and then I'll see if it's actually accurate and not some fake. There's so much fake stuff on the internet right now. It's crazy. With physical will never set the price. The paper market, i.e. Comex, is the market until it's not. Never say never. DBC saying it's just a matter of time that this insane manipulation blows up in their faces. I agree. And Jay Ford's like, what? Excuse me? Okay, we caught up there. Wow, what a crazy day, ladies and gentlemen. What an absolute crazy session. I was going to do, I would normally do the evening, but Rat Stacker's got a game today. So in a little bit, I'm going to depart to go chair a Rat Stacker. She stacks gold, silver, and she stacks rats. Let's go back to here. Let's see if there's any other breaking news here. Guys, there's so much going on warfare. Look at this. Comex. Oh. Whoa. Breaking. Comex margins. Okay, hold up. Comex margin alert. Because I can't see that. It's so blurry. Okay. So I'll put out a tweet about this after the stream. The Comex has announced a reduction in the initial margin requirements on Comex 5000 silver futures. According to the margin's been decreased from 18 to 14%. This adjustment is expected to impact traders and investors dealing in silver futures, potentially influencing market dynamics. Whoa. What is the Comex up to, guys? What are they up to? Wow. This is the first reduction we've seen in recent times. That is absolutely shocking. The Comex is in full-blown panic.
Run.
Dudley! Schmidt! A fallen hard with one arm on the top!
Oh my
Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
They are not happy. And whoa, there's 2 more deaths today. And let's see. Mexico, silver, gold, mine, death. I'll cover that as well. I'll cover the as soon as we're not live, I'll put out a tweet about the Comex margin reduction. That's big news. As well as this, if I could find any news today on it. Anytime past hour. 2 more. Oh, this is from that kidnapping. So guys, Vizsla, a company down there, they had, I think, 10 workers kidnapped, and 5 of them were unfortunately killed. Now it looks like another 2, said Thursday, that's today, have been confirmed. Man, that's death toll 7. Shares fell. Wow, that is so sad. Let's see what Vizsla's looking like. A lot of those mining projects down there, guys, are getting extorted by the cartels. So when did it originally happen? Let's go here. Vizsla kidnappings. I want to see the date that actually happened. 3 weeks ago? No. February 12th. So somewhere in here is when it happened, it looks like. So it probably got announced somewhere in here. And then, yeah. That's sad. That's really sad. Okay, guys, I got a couple more minutes to stream here. So if you got a question, put it in chat. I'll answer it to the best of my ability. Again, the name's International Stacker, guys. And we're only 21 subscribers away from the big show. So if you want to catch a big show really quick, make sure you subscribe. I give away gold and silver all the time. I just added some stuff. Here's the next big giveaway. I just added this germanium mint 1 ounce low-key bar. I just added this germanium mint 1/100th of a gold bar. Look at this. From Only an Acre, we got this 100-gram Valkyrie bar. So we got a lot of good stuff in here, but you got to be subscribed for that. And you might as well catch a big show at the same time. Someone's trying to duel me. I'll accept it. Okay. So Mark in chat is saying gold. Always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know. You're incredible. Always believe because you are gold. Thank you for that, Mark. I think he called me gold. We will do a crab raid, Ralph. Yes, we will. Does anyone know a small creator that's on right now? Wow, you guys want me to drop this in the giveaway? Someone's saying I need to drop the 10-ounce Loki. I don't know, guys. This is like my permanent collection. I don't know. I don't know if I could drop. We'll see what happens. A lot more is going to get dropped in there. Oh, I forgot. Miss Ida Herring is in chat. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ida Herring is in chat. She has, coming up in, I think, the next week or two, a big auction for St. Jude's. It's for the kids. It's a really big deal. KTM just dropped the link in chat, so make sure to go check that out. You have to register for it, but you'll probably be able to get some good deals on gold and silver. It's going to a good cause. You pay St. Jude's directly, not Ida, and some of it might even be tax deductible. Make sure to talk with a tax official, your tax professional on that, but it's a donation to a nonprofit, right? So that's a pretty cool thing. So go check that out. January 24th got reported to the public in February. Thank you for that, Whack a cackle. Thank you. How do I feel about Platinum and Palladium, says HGT Stacker? I'm not bullish on them. I think Platinum and Palladium, drop the Mrs. IS coffee or I unsub. It's coming, Josh. It's coming. Calm down. It's coming. Platinum and Palladium, I think short term there's some money to be made. I'm not long term bullish. Something like, I'm going to get these numbers wrong, but it's something like 60% of Platinum's demand. No, maybe 40% of Platinums and 60% of Palladiums is for catalytic converters. I believe more and more cars are going to convert to electric. It doesn't mean I have to agree with it. I just think that's coming. So I think in the future, a big portion of the demand for Platinum and Palladium is going to drop. So long term, am I bullish? No, I'm long term bullish gold and silver. Short term, is there money to be made? Yeah, I think so. But just be careful and trade accordingly. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to YouTube. And let's see who's live. We're going to do a crab raid, guys. Remember, crab raids are meant to be good, not bad. They're meant to help people. Small creators is what I look for in the gold or silver market. If you guys know a small creator that's live right now, let me know. International Stackers live. Look at that. I'm not seeing any small gold and silver creators. Are there any gold and silver creators you guys know that are on live right now? It is kind of an odd time in the day. Well, I'll probably get some coffee for the giveaway. That's a good idea. Let's look at coins. Guys, I covered a ton of breaking news at the start of the stream, so once the stream's over, go rewatch that back if you want the updated information. Guys, I'm not seeing any small creators on. I'm not seeing any small creators on. So we might not be able to do a crab raid. We could crab raid Unsolved Mysteries. I don't think Ida's live. She was in here. That's not going to work. I'm not seeing any small creator live. Steam Room Trading. Officer Tatum, is he on? We'll probably get banned. I don't want to get that's funny. Okay, I'm not seeing anyone live. That's gold or silver. Wow. I wish I could do a war room, but I gotta go to Rat Stacker's game, guys. So I'm gonna have to run. Let me look one last time. Let's see if we can find a coin roll hunter live. Okay, that's no. Nothing, guys. Nothing. At what, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're going to keep adding a bunch of cool silver and gold and other treasures to the Mega Goss. So, guys, smash the like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support. And I guess I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. See ya in the morning.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.